Hey guys, 8-Bit Wizard here, and today I'm starting a new series for Python Basics. And this series is for those with little to no programming experience, but it will cover the basics to get you started, the syntax, what you can do with it, and then I will also cover in depth the basic built-in modules for Python. I will also be making new series of more in-depth Python and more advanced Python topics. But if you have any suggestions, go ahead and drop the comments down below of what you want me to cover, and I will do my best to get to it. Until then, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and head to Google and type in Python download. After that, go ahead and click on the first link. It should be python.org/downloads. Once you're here, go ahead and download the package that is right for your operating system. They have packages for all types of operating systems, so go ahead and download the one right for you. You can download Python 2, however this course is going to be over Python 3, and support for Python 2 will end by 2020. So again, your choice. The second thing that we're going to download is an IDE. Now, you don't have to download the IDE if you don't want to. Python already comes with software that allows you to edit Python code. However, an IDE is supposed to give you a more integrated feel and overall supposed to be better. So what we're going to do is head over and type in Visual Code. And after you type that in, it should be the first link, code.visualstudio.com. Go to click that and download the package for you. And after you do that and you run through the installer, you should be met with this screen when you open it. Once you're here, you'll have to go ahead and head down to the extensions tab. And I already have it downloaded, but type in Python and it should be the first one. And then go ahead and install this and then reload it. After that, go ahead and exit out of that. Go to File, New File, and go ahead and save as. I'm doing mine as tutorial 1.py. All Python files will have a .py extension. There's 1 to 2 other extensions that are useful in Python, but they're used for different reasons. So for now, we're just going to use .py, and that's it. You're ready to go. Catch you next.